Hello, future Pascalians! Kamusta kayo? Ako nga pala si Kuya Sam mula sa grade 11, class St. Paul the 6th.
At ako naman ang inyong Ate May from STEM 11, St. Leo the 1st.
And we are from Colegio de San Pascual, Bailon. Bakit nga ba tayo nandito, Ate May?
Siyempre, narito tayo upang hikayatin kayo na mag-enroll sa ating paaralan.
Tama ka dyan, Ate May. Anong strand ba meron ng CSPB?
CSPB offers 4 academic strands. Ito ay Accountancy, Business and Management o ABM, General Academic Strand or GAS, Humanities and Social Sciences o UMS, at Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics o STEM.
Alam mo bang maraming ginagawang activities sa mga Pascalians that nurtures their well-being, spiritually, mentally, and of course, academically. We also have various contests, band, and singing, at iba't ibang classroom activities.
Facilities. The CSPB have different types of facilities to cater the needs of every Pascalians. Meron kaming canteen available within the Basic Education Department. At meron din kaming gymnasium or covered court where games like basketball, volleyball, other activities or programs are held. At hindi lang yan. Meron din kaming audio-visual room with big screen or TV where we watch related films or movies on our subjects.
Not only that, we also have speech laboratory where we are trained how to pronounce words, listen, and speak. In our school, both the basic education and college department have libraries. We also have science laboratory with complete equipment for science experiments. Of course, meron din kaming computer laboratory with complete computer units per student.
Tuition fee?
Ang mahal?
No need to worry. Dahil kung ikaw ay galing sa public school, ay automatic na ikaw ay voucher grantee.
And for as low as 500 pesos registration fee, pwede ka na mag-enroll.
Para makapag-avail ng voucher na ito, ay mag-inquire lamang sa aming registrar's office. Simula ngayon hanggang bago magsimula ang pasukan. I'm Kuya Sebastian.
I'm Ate Day.
So come, visit,
Enroll now! Be one of us! Be a Pascalian!